Hey everyone! Have you ever wished you could automate those tedious tasks that seem to eat up your time every day? Well, your wish just came true. Today, we're diving deep into the Logic Sheet Lifetime Deal, a tool that's about to become your new best friend in the world of Google Sheets automation. No matter how experienced you are with spreadsheets, you'll want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to see how Logic Sheet can revolutionize your workflow. What is Logic Sheet? Ever heard of Logic Sheet? Imagine having an automated assistant right inside your Google Sheets, taking care of all the repetitive work for you. It's like having a superpowered Google Sheets that does the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Logic Sheet is a Google Sheets add-on designed to help you automate your tasks seamlessly. From sending email notifications to updating other apps like Notion, Airtable, or HubSpot, Logic Sheet has got you covered. Trust me, once you start using Logic Sheet, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular pricing for Logic Sheet is over $440, but on AppSumo, you can grab this powerful tool for just $99. And the best part? This is a one-time payment for lifetime access. Now, let's break down all the incredible features you'll get with this deal. There are 3 tiers you can choose from on AppSumo. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $99, originally valued at $440. This plan is perfect for individuals or small businesses with one Google Sheets account. One Google Sheets account, unlimited automation executions per day, unlimited automation creation, access to all features without limit. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available for a one-time purchase of $198, originally valued at $800, offering more flexibility with up to 5 Google Sheets accounts. 5 Google Sheets accounts in the same Google Workspace domain, unlimited automation executions per day, unlimited automation creation, access to all features without limit. License Tier 3. For those who need even more, License Tier 3 is available for a one-time purchase of $297, down from its original value of $2,352. This plan is ideal for larger teams or enterprises. Unlimited Google Sheets accounts in the same Google Workspace domain, unlimited automation executions per day, unlimited automation creation, access to all features without limit. 6 most important features that make Logic Sheet special. Automated workflow triggers. Logic Sheet automates tasks based on triggers like time intervals, form submissions, or edits, working like a personal assistant. Condition-based automation. Run workflows only when specific conditions are met, making automations smarter and more relevant. Email/Slack notifications. Get instant alerts via email or Slack without checking spreadsheets manually. Integrations. Seamlessly connect with Notion, Airtable, HubSpot, and MailChimp. Template library. Start quickly with predefined templates. API/webhooks. Enhance Google Sheets with HTTP requests and automated triggers. People who can benefit from Logic Sheet. Marketers, sales managers, small business owners, project managers, data analysts, HR professionals, educators. Do you fit the bill? Or know someone who does? Dive into the world of Logic Sheet and watch the magic unfold. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Logic Sheet lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some exciting news for you. On top of that amazing $99 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Logic Sheet Lifetime Deal offer. Keep an eye out for the discount pop-up. Enter your active email address. Use the same email address to make your purchase. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Logic Sheet Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.